A lot of tanker cars he has. Gondolas. Gondolas. Tank cars. Center beams. It's a manifest train. Alright guys, this was CSX. This is CSX 9:50, 9:30. This train was leaving. This train finally left. From Bronzegard. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, this is a new engine. 889 in the middle. He's a lawn train. Oh, guys, this is a lawn freight train. I know he would be on his way because he would be right here. And look what I found. I make freight train going behind my grandma's. Those large center beams. There are a lot of center beams. Oh, he's probably booking it. He's picking up a little speed right now. A lot of people are waiting for this train to go through. And there's the end of him. Stay tuned, guys. There might be another train.